Good afternoon, all of my dear students. Welcome back to your online class. Let's start your class. In previous class, we have just finished the chapter Forest Our Lifeline, and today we will do the exercise question answers of this topic. Okay? I hope you all will cooperate with me. Okay? Before coming to the question answer, there are so many short questions in your book. I will first discuss those short questions, then comes to the long question. Okay? Now comes to question number 7, that is fill in the blanks. You must write in your chat box the correct answer. That is the insects, butterflies, honeybees and birds helps the flowering plants in dash. You have to tell the process. In flowering plant, what is this phenomenon called? Very good, Astha. That will be pollination. Very good. Shansari also given answer. Okay, everyone is correct. Now comes to second question, that is a forest is a purifier of dash and dash. What will be the answer? A forest is a purifier of, you know this answer, air and water. Very good. Now comes to C. Herbs form the layer in the forest. Which layer? Herbs form the dash layer in the forest. That will be the low. We have just seen that layer is also called herb layer or lowest layer. Okay, so we have seen that. Now D number question, that is the decaying leaves and animals droppings in a forest end is the dash. End is the soil as humus. Okay, very good. Now comes to again some short question, that is question number 11. Which of the following is not a forest product? Gum, plywood, sealing wax, kerosene. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Very good. Answer will be kerosene. Now, which of the following statement is not correct? You have to find out the incorrect sentence from the 4 sentences. First one is forest protect the soil from erosion. It is correct sentence, you know. Then plants and animals in a forest are not dependent on one another. So this will be obviously incorrect sentence. Now third one, forest influence the climate and water cycle. This will also be correct sentence. Then soil helps forest to grow and regenerate. This will also be correct sentence. So here the incorrect sentence will be 2. Very good. Okay. Now comes to the question, that is 13 number question, that microorganisms act upon the dead plants to produce sand, mushroom, humus, wood. The answer will be obviously humus. Very good, everyone. Now comes to question answer. So first question is, explain how animals dwelling in the forest help it to grow and regenerate. As you have already read that the animals and plants, they are having an interrelationship or interdependent on each other by means of so many process and so many method they are actually possessing, and how they are helping each other. Akash has written, animals helps in growing and regenerating forest in many ways. Animals works as cleaning agent in the forest. Very good. Then microorganisms work on the dead bodies of plants and animals and regenerate them. Very good. Animals also helps in pollination, which helps in growing a number of plants. Very good. Then herbivores helps the carnivores to grow as they serve food for them. Yes, thus flora and fauna mutually grow in the forest. So you have written the answer in a very good way. Very good. First point I can write that animals act as cleaning agent. I am writing just in a short point. Okay. Second point you must write, that is animals help in dispersing seed, you must write like this point, write your answer. Okay. Next answer you must write that decaying animal waste provides nutrient for plants to grow. Okay. Last one you can write microorganism convert the dead plants and animals to humus, and another thing you must write, they are interconnected via food chain. Okay, they are interconnected and interdependent. Can you see the board properly? Interdependent by means of food chain. Okay, down portion I will show you. No need to worry about this. Now can you see? By means of food chain. Okay, food chain. Understood everyone this point? Anyone having any problem? These 4 points. First point, animals act as cleaning agent, then animals helps in dispersing seed. Decaying animals, third point, decaying animals wastes provide nutrients for plants to grow. Then fourth point, microorganisms convert the dead plants and animals to humus. And fifth point, they are interconnected and interdependent by means of food chain. Everyone having a clear idea about this question? Okay, now I will drop this answer. Okay? Okay. Now, what is the second question? That is, explain how forests prevent floods. Can anyone answer this? Yes. Very good. Akash again answered, forest can absorb a lot of water. Yes, forest is actually a natural absorber. Yes, the root of the trees absorb the water and prevent it from flowing away, and roots of the tree also helps in percolation of water into the soil. Very good, and this helps in preventing flood. Very nice answer. Okay, I am writing this answer in the board. Please follow me to answer. That is, plants acts as, plants in the forest. You must write, plants in the forest in the forest act as natural absorber, so they will not allow the rainwater to fall directly on earth, and another reason is that is these plants also hold water which helps in preventing flood, Understood, everyone? I hope you understood. Okay, now comes to third number question, that is, what are decomposers? Name any two of them and what do they do in the forest? As you know, the microorganism which convert the dead animals and plants into humus, they are called decomposers. Just like bacteria, fungi, these all are example of decomposers. Yes, Akash, your answer is also correct. I am rubbing this answer 2 number. Now I am coming to third number question, that is, the microorganisms, follow me students, microorganisms which convert dead plants and animals into humus are called decomposer. Okay. Now, example you can easily write it, that is bacteria, then fungi. Okay, these two example, etc. Now, the question that is along with this question, that is, what do they do in the forest? They help in recycling of nutrients by decomposing dead plants and animals. So, this will be the answer. Just write this answer also. So, this one is first point, then second point. Question has been segregated into 3 parts, so we must write in this way. Okay. So, they help in recycling of nutrients by decomposing dead plants and animals. Dead plants and animals. Everyone has written this answer? Anyone having any problem in this question? Yes, Sharuna, your answer is also correct. Have you written this answer? Now, should I rub this? Okay, I am rubbing. And what about the next question? That is, explain the role of forest in maintaining the balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. This answer I will not write in the board. You have to do this answer by your own, as I have just described it so many times. As I have told you, during photosynthesis, plants need carbon dioxide, okay, and that carbon dioxide is exhaled by us. More amount of carbon dioxide is exhaled by us, and that carbon dioxide is used by them, and while they are making their food through the process of photosynthesis, they produce a lot of oxygen that is useful for us for our respiration, as you know, not only for respiration, breathing, inhaling oxygen, okay. So, and one thing, plants also utilize oxygen during their respiration, but the amount of oxygen that they require during their respiration, that is always less than the amount of oxygen they produce during the photosynthesis. Understood everyone? And by this way they are just balance the nature by means of maintaining the gas balance, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide balance in the nature. So, everyone understood this answer? I will not write it. Very good, Sanchari. Plants release oxygen in the atmosphere during the process of photosynthesis, and this oxygen is inhaled by the animals for respiration, and they release carbon dioxide which is absorbed by plants, and in this way oxygen and carbon dioxide cycles goes on. And since forest contain a large number of plants, they help much in this cycle and maintain a balance in nature. Very good everyone. Okay, I have seen your answer, Akash. I have seen your answer, beta. Now, fifth question, that is, explain why there is no waste in a forest. Why there is no waste in a forest? As you know, in the forest, all things which are available there, that these are natural, and their waste are also biodegradable, means they can be degraded by the nature itself. So, when the biodegradable things are there, so there is no waste is actually remaining at that area, as those biodegradable things get converted to humus by decomposers, as you know, decomposers or microorganisms. So, there is no waste in the forest due to presence of decomposers. You have to just mention that point, that all the waste which are found in the forest, they are biodegradable waste. Then those biodegradable waste are converted into humus by decomposers or microorganisms. Okay? So, you can say that there is no waste. Understood this answer, everyone? Anyone having any problem? Any problem, students? Very good. So, I am proceeding towards the next question. Okay? Okay. Let's come to 6 number question, that is list 5 products that we get from forest. What are those products? You know this. Very good, Akash. We get medicine from forest, we get gum from forest, we get wood which is used for many purposes like making furniture, paper. Very good. Then we get food for animals from the forest, and we get sealing wax from the forest. Yes. So, medicine, spices, wood, then paper, gum, this all we get from the forest. Okay. So, this is very easy answer. Now comes to, we have already discussed 7 number, fill in the blanks, no? Then 8 number question we will come, 8 number and 9 number is left, I think, 8, 9, 10. These are long question. Now, long answer type question. Okay, why should we worry about the conditions and issues related to the forest far from us? Sanchari has written, we would be worried about deforestation as it would lead to floods, increase in earth temperature, decreasing animals habitat, soil erosion, very good. Then damage to forest directly and indirectly affects human habitat, also environment, it must be a matter of concern among us, very good. It must be a matter of concern among us. First reason is when there is actually decrease in forest result the amount of more carbon dioxide in our surrounding, and that will make our area, our atmosphere more polluted, and that will cause, that is actually causing main problem that is known as global warming. You know this point, global warming, due to the main reason due to this pollution and for these harmful gases. Okay. Now next question, depletion of forest may cause soil erosion, as you know, soil erosion, and another is they adversely affects the life of animals and plants also living in the forest, also surrounding that area forest. Okay. Then another thing, that is absence of forest leads to flooded area more often, as you know, and due to this reduction of forest, land will turn to barren and there will be deforestation, you know, or desertification of the land. So these so many answer. All plants and animals sustain that forest life, and also CO2 O2 cycle goes on due to animals and plants. Yes, animals convert the dead and decaying matters into humus and increasing the fertility of the soil, and thus enhancing plant growth, and all food chains and food webs are needed variety of plants and animals. If they are not absent, then there will be no food chain, means somehow it may happen that there is more number of consumer than the producer. Then how they get their food? Just imagine that. No? Understood this point, everyone? When there is more number of consumer than the producer, then what will happen? They will die in hunger. No? Yes. So we have come to the point, we have discussed this answer. Thank you for your answer, who have answered this question with a very good effort of you all. Okay. Thank you. Now comes to the another question, that is explain why there is need of variety of animals and plants in a forest. This answer also just related to the previous question, no? First answer is that helps the forest and animals to regenerate and grow, as you know, and another is most excellent range of plants support herbivores, and which in turn serve food for carnivores. Then decomposers turn dead animals and plants into humus, as you know, and thereby maintain the nutrient cycle in the nature, and this wide variety makes the forest a dynamic living entity. I have described, no, what is dynamic living entity, how forest act as dynamic living entity. Everyone got this point? Okay, very good. Now another question, that is question number 10, no, that is left, I think. Figure 17.15, the artist has forgotten to put the level and direction on the arrows. Make the direction on the arrows and label the diagram using the following levels, that is clouds, rain, atmosphere, carbon dioxide, oxygen, plants, animal, soil, root, water table. You can easily do this. Yes, I know you can do this. Okay, so we have finished our exercise of this chapter, that is forest our lifeline, no? So I hope you understood, and if you have any problem from biology portion, the science, from your science, you can ask me, and we have finished all the syllabus up to term 2. Okay, I hope you understood, And if you have, again I am telling that if you have any problem, you can ask me in the e-portal and now also, okay. And question will come the topic that I have discussed while online class and within this online class and offline class. Whatever topic I have discussed within online class and offline classes, that topic you must follow, okay. And you know which chapter has been reduced, okay. Okay.